and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Vaishnavi, and on this channel we talk about spirituality, self-awareness, and how to be your highest self and how to love yourself to the core. Right? So today, as you can see, I am back after a while. I have not been here for very long, and I would have to say that I have been on this wonderful new journey and I have been experiencing that journey, and I love every bit of it. And I'm here to tell you now what it was and what I learned and what I experienced. Okay, as you can see by the title of the video, today we are going to talk about the pros and cons of a spiritual girl doing a 9 to 5 job, which is very weird to hear and it is very challenging. But I have to tell you this, I have been on a spiritual journey for a while now. So, what has happened in my journey was I was very much into my feminine energy for so long, and I have tried to awaken my masculine energy, but it hasn't been happening for few years now, and I was kind of sick and tired of it because I don't know, I was not able to do it. But then suddenly universe gave me this job out of nowhere, and trust me, because this job I got was on 11/11. Okay, it was on 11th of November 2024. I got this job, and it has been amazing how I know myself more, I know myself better, and it has been such an amazing job. मैं बताऊंगी धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे हुआ, और सारी चीज़ें एकदम इतना miraculously हो गई, और it was hard to believe. Basically, I still cannot believe sometimes how in one night my life changed, and in one night my life became this whole amazing version of my life. It was some kind of portal I entered. I have to believe it because that is the only way and that is the only explanation for it. Because जहाँ पे मुझे जॉब लगी है, मैंने वहाँ पे फर्स्ट प्लेस मैंने वहाँ पे अप्लाई भी नहीं किया था, एंड आई गॉट द जॉब. दैट इज द स्टोरी आई विल टेल यू along the way. But I have been doing this job for like almost 2 months now. So what I learned in that job, I'm here to tell you as a spiritual girl. Okay, so I've made a list of pros and cons. अच्छी चीज़ें बुरी चीज़ें दोनों चीज़ों का मिक्सचर होता है, everything. So this is it. So we are going to start from pros. Okay, so this video is important because हम हमारी जो स्पिरिचुअल कम्युनिटी है, हम हमारी स्पिरिचुअल कम्युनिटी में हम हमेशा ये सोचते हैं या हम ऐसा देखते हैं कि डूइंग अ जॉब it sucks life out of you, or it doesn't help you so much, and it will just decrease your energy infinitely and you will lose yourself. जो जबकि ये बात कुछ हद तक करेक्ट है, but there is a good side of it and I will tell you that. Okay, we will start from the pros and then we can talk about the cons, which जो कि ज़्यादा हैवी नहीं, थोड़े बहुत ही है. ठीक है. So the first pros is your life will get a structure. See, जब हम ये जॉब कर रहे हैं, if you're doing a 9 to 5 job, the thing is that you will get this structure in your life or a routine in your life, which incredibly helped me. Because पहले मैं बिल्कुल भी, I was very feminine. Okay, I was like, oh my god, so feminine. I was like go with the flow kind of girl. I was having slow mornings. I would feel everything that I'm feeling as an empath. तो वो चीज़ भी थी, and I needed some like solid structure into my life. So this was a really good thing that happens to me, because when you're on job you have this structure, you have this timetable or a routine that you follow, which is also important. When you're in your masculine, you balance out your masculine and feminine energies, and that is what I am experiencing, and I love it. Because मैं वो चीज़ नहीं कर पा रही थी पहले. I was not able to be in my masculine energy, and it was actually not working for me. It wasn't working at all for me because I was not being this balanced version. I was very feminine. So to get some structure into my life and to get some timetable in my life, or a proper routine, I would say, in my life helped me incredibly. And second point is your masculine energy will take charge, and that is very important. Because क्या हो जाता है ना, when you are into spirituality, you learn to let go things. Okay, you learn to let go things and you learn to feel more and you learn to analyze more, and that is good. I'm not saying, क्योंकि उस वक्त के लिए वो चीज़ ज़रूरी होती है. जैसे when I was into spirituality, first enter spirituality, you automatically see, when you first enter into spirituality, जब तुम्हें ये सारा नॉलेज मिलने लगता है और जब तुम्हें सारी चीज़ें पता चलने लगती है, सो वी ऑटोमेटिकली गो अवे फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड। ओके, वो एक टाइम होता है जहाँ पे तुम अकेले ही होते हो, देयर इज नो वन विथ यू, यू हैव टू सर्वाइव एंड यू हैव टू कम आउट ऑफ दैट थिंग अलोन। टेल फॉर आई वुड से फॉर माई सेल्फ, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा स्पिरिचुअलिटी में चली गई थी, और मैं इतना ज़्यादा स्पिरिचुअलिटी में चली गई थी दैट आई वॉज नॉट लिविंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड, आई वॉज लिटरली नॉट लिविंग हियर। I would say that I was just here and I was just doing all the spiritual work, like all the internal work, all the time, which is not good, because you came here, you are here, and you have to live this world. If you come here, you cannot just be feeling all the time, or just doing meditating all the time and affirmations all the time. That doesn't work. You have to have your masculine and feminine energies balanced. So this is what I learned. This is what I learned here, and it just happened so miraculously. I already told you, job ही इतने amazing तरीके से मिली थी that I was like, okay, I have to do this, and I'm going to be good at it. The next benefit of doing the job is it will be a test for you to really see how much you have healed yourself and how balanced you really are. Because when you are in a job, it is a very unpredictable environment to be in, and you will see all sorts of unhealed people, all sorts of toxic people, and you have to work with them. Okay, it is not that you cannot start to give them life lessons, or you cannot start to do all your spiritual things there. So it will be a very good opportunity to test yourself of how detached you are from the world, even though being there. Okay, even though by being there, I'm not saying, see, घर में रह के हील रहना और हाई एनर्जी में रहना इज़ वेरी इजी, बिकॉज यू आर इन योर कम्फर्ट जोन, you know everything about your house or everything about your family members. But to go out in the world and then still be balanced, that is the thing, and it is very very like important to test yourself with that. Because जब मैंने ये चीज़ करी, firstly I was like so amazed by how balanced I am, and when you can literally see that there is like whole chaos going on in front of you and you're still very calm and you're very balanced, so that tells you how much you have integrated your things. And I just love it of and I just love it because I have seen myself being detached from, even though me being an empath, it is very difficult for me. I feel things instantly. I know what other people are feeling. अगर मेरे सामने कोई 15-20 लोग भी ऐसे बैठे हैं या खड़े, I can just feel what they're feeling. May that be love, may that be envy or jealousy or anxiety. I feel everything. So that's the thing. You feel things, but if you're still detached, that is going to benefit you a lot. It is not good if someone else is feeling anxiety and you are an empath and you just start feeling them. No, you have to help them get over it with your energy. That is the thing. You have this gift that you can feel people's energy, is because you have to help them integrate that. Next good thing that I figured out is a very good thing to do if you are highly spiritual and you're doing a job, is you will have this enhanced sense of self. You will see yourself in a whole new light, and तुम इतना अच्छे से खुद को देख पाओगे, खुद को फील कर पाओगे, because the next version of you that you are being right now is incredible. Because the feel जो महसूस होता है ना अंदर से, जब तुम्हारी masculine energy and feminine energy दोनों balanced होती है, your self confidence will rise like crazy. I am literally telling you, my self confidence has been so good since then. I am very satisfied. I'm very satisfied with my job. I'm like very happy. I don't even know how to describe this, but the thing is कि मैं इतना ज़्यादा spiritually accomplished feel करती हूँ job से आने के बाद, that I have done this job, I have given my 9 hours to it, and then I am sitting here and I am completely relaxed, and I didn't bring any crap out of that office over here. That is like the most amazing thing that I feel. And I am really telling you this. मैं जब पहले अपने comfort zone में रहती थी, I used to be high vibrational being. I used to be happy all the time, enthusiastic all the time. That is all okay. But when you go into the matrix and you see yourself doing all of these logical things, and your masculine and feminine energies are balanced, and then after that वो जो एक feeling आती है ना, that is like immeasurable. The amount of love you feel for yourself and the amount of satisfaction you feel for yourself कि okay, मैं यहाँ हूँ और मैं ये चीज़ कर रही हूँ और मैं ये चीज़ अच्छी कर रही हूँ. It is not that I'm doing bad, but I'm doing good. एंड दैट्स द थिंग, बिकॉज नहीं होता है कॉन्फिडेंस, जब तुम ऐसे स्पिरिचुअलिटी में हो, तुम सबसे दूर हो, तुम्हें नहीं पता है कि दुनिया में क्या चल रहा है, बाहर न्यूज़ क्या चल रहा है, पॉलिटिक्स में क्या चल रहा है, यू डोंट नो एनीथिंग, बट देन सडनली यू गो इनटू द मैट्रिक्स, यूनिवर्स विल पुट यू इन द मैट्रिक्स, एंड वहाँ पे जाके तुमको खुद को प्रूव करना है. इट इज़ नॉट फॉर सम एनीबॉडी एल्स, इट इज़ फॉर योर सेल्फ. तुम्हें खुद को प्रूव करना है कि तुम कितना हील्ड हो, तुम कितना बैलेंस्ड हो, तुम कितने अच्छे से खुद को हैंडल कर सकते हो, इवन दो यू डोंट नो व्हाट this day is going to bring. See, it is very unpredictable कि कब क्या हो जाए, but even though if you're balanced, you will have that confidence on yourself कि हाँ, I can do it, I can literally do it, and I can do a good job even under pressure. This is also where I had my trauma, a little bit of trauma. I can honestly tell you now कि मुझे ये बहुत ज़्यादा ही insecurity थी that I don't look good. Okay, I'm telling you this, and I will tell you why I'm telling you this. So I had this thing that I don't look good or I am not like pretty enough. वो मेरी खुद की personal insecurity थी. But when I did this job, and I'm telling you, everyone at my job, they literally helped me to heal that so much. And I was like, bro, I'm literally telling you two things. First, कि जो मेरा जो okay, number one, let me just tell you. First thing was कि I had this insecurity that I'm not good at my job, or I would not be able to do a great job here, or I don't look good enough, or I don't look pretty enough, to be fair. I used to feel that very strongly. And जैसे ही फिर मैं वो जॉब पे जाती थी, and then there were like hundreds of people, I would not say hundreds but 30s or 40s of people who would come, and then they would compliment me, and they would compliment my hair, and they would just adore me, like literally they would. And I loved it so much because मैं सुबह सुबह जाती थी ready होके like to 8:30, and then that's the start of my day, and they just made my day. I'm just telling you, when you're sitting there and people just come and compliment you, and they just cherish you and adore you, and they just love you so much, और वो सारा सारा प्यार जो मेरे अंदर रहता था ना, उन लोगों से जो प्यार मिला है मुझे, I used to feel like I was so stupid. These people love me, and I used to feel like I'm so stupid. Why I used to put myself down and think कि मैं अच्छी नहीं थी. I look good. Even the people, those who barely know me, they are saying me these things. See, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो दिन भर मेरे साथ रहता है, ठीक है? It is just like hardly 30 to 40 seconds. 30 to 40 seconds they were with me, and they have helped me with my confidence so much, and I'm very grateful that they said all those things, and I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I am so happy, and they have really helped me so much. So if you're watching this video, you know who you are. Thank you so much. You have really helped me with my confidence. I cannot even tell you. So this was the first thing. So the second thing is कि जब मेरी जॉब की ज्वाइनिंग थी, आई वॉज वेरी नर्वस अबाउट वन थिंग, दैट हमने ये सुना होता है ना कि जॉब में इट इज़ लाइक वेरी, बहुत पॉलिटिक्स होता है, या इट इज़ वेरी टॉक्सिक इन्वायरमेंट टू बी विद, and it can be really difficult to get along with your colleagues and all that. I tell you, the people who trained me are like the bestest people in the whole world. मैंने बिल्कुल भी नहीं सोचा था कि ये लोग मेरी इतनी हेल्प करेंगे. They were so kind to me, they were so supportive of me, they were never judging me, no shade. मतलब मैं कभी भी कितना भी सिली प्रॉब्लम लेके जाऊँ, लाइक हाँ हाँ कोई बात नहीं, होता है, हो जाएगा, आ जाएगा. एंड दैट गेव मी सो मच स्ट्रेंथ एंड कॉन्फिडेंस टू सर्वाइव देयर. आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल दैट आई got trained by these people, and I'm very grateful that they are friends. We are friends, we get along real great, and I just love them. And everybody is whole different. That's the thing. हर कोई इतना अलग है ना, जो मेरी कलीग्स की जो टीम है जिनके साथ मैं लंच वगैरह करती हूँ, everyone is different, and everyone is unique, and everyone has their own spark. And I just love to sit with them and just see that okay, में ये गुड क्वालिटी है. एंड समटाइम्स आई अगर मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले ना, आई विल टेल दैट थिंग अबाउट देम कि द थिंग दैट यू हैव इज़ रियली नाइस. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. आई डोंट नो कि यूनिवर्स, I'm really grateful that universe gave me this beautiful team who trained me, and then who are with me, और जिनके साथ मतलब मेरा मोस्टली ज़्यादा उठना बैठना होता है at my job. I just love it. It is like beyond. आई कैन नॉट इवन टेल यू, बिकॉज मैं इस चीज़ को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा नर्वस थी कि अगर कभी कुछ ऐसा हो जाता है मैं क्या करूँगी. बट fortunately I got a very good group of people who trained me, and I'm like very happy about it. Coming back on topic, the next thing that you will know about doing a job is that you will see matrix clearer than ever. I am telling you, मैंने इतना clearly देख लिया है ना अभी. It is like, या देखो पहले कैसा होता है, पहले हम सारी चीज़ें एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं, उसके बाद हमारी अवेकनिंग होती है, राइट. तो अवेकनिंग के बाद हमारे पास हमारी मेमोरीज ही होती है याद करने के लिए कि हाँ नहीं, स्कूल में ऐसा होता था, जॉब पे ऐसा होता था, कॉलेज में ऐसा होता था, करेक्ट. बट जब अवेकन होने के बाद तुम उस इन्वायरमेंट में जाते हो एंड देन यू आर एट योर जॉब एंड देन यू फील लाइक ओके, दिस इज वे मोर क्लियर नाउ, दिस इज वे मोर क्लियर एंड इट हैज़ नेवर बीन दिस क्लियर टू मी. एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके, तुम्हें बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आने लगेगी दैट हाउ दिस मैट्रिक्स वर्क्स एंड हाउ दे, आई विल से they are trying to keep you in the box, and they are trying to like literally suck energy out of you, literally suck all the light out of you. And मैंने इतना क्लियरली देख लिया ना अभी, इट इज़ लाइक यू शुड एक्सपीरियंस दैट. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. इफ़ यू आर कंसिडरिंग टू डू अ जॉब एंड यू आर स्पिरिचुअल, यू शुड डेफिनेटली डू इट, बिकॉज व्हेन यू डू दैट तुम्हें इतना क्लियरली सब कुछ दिखेगा ना. मतलब, और पता है क्या होता है कि जब तुम इतना क्लियरली चीज़ों को देख लेते हो ना, तो तुम उससे डिटैच हो जाते हो. तुम्हें नहीं बुरा लगता कुछ टाइम बाद, बिकॉज यू नो दिस इज़ अ प्ले, everyone is doing their job, everyone has a life path, everyone is going on to their life path. So it doesn't matter that much, but it is important to see with real closeness कि यार exactly क्या हो रहा है. You will see all those things and then you will still be detached from it and it will be okay again. But the thing is, it is worth watching. If you are awakened, you should literally do a job even for like a month to really see how this matrix works. इतना clearly सब कुछ दिखता है ना, it will be like oh my god, like that. So next thing, if you are a spiritual person and you are considering doing a job, you can take this, because I do this. You can take this, it's an opportunity to spread your light. See, अगर तुम किसी corporate world में हो, it is a very stressful environment to be in. Okay, it is not easy all the time to be in that environment, but isn't this the opportunity? We are all here to help one another, we are all here to love one another, we are all here to make people realize or help people realize their powers or their thing, or to like make them fall in love with themselves. That is our job. So what is the better place to do that other than the corporate world? Take this as an opportunity to spread your light. When people are stressed, all you have to do is make them feel lighter, and you can do that because that is feeling easy. Everyone doesn't want solutions, they don't want your life lessons, or they don't want you to like analyze their problems and do a whole spiritual session. They don't want that, and they are not even asking for it. But if you see them stressed, all you can do is just make them feel good about themselves. The matrix, I can tell you, everyone works so hard and हर कोई इतना under pressure रहता है all the time that they don't see themselves. But if you help them for a minute there to just see themselves, that how hard you're trying is, it's incredible. And I can see your efforts. ये सारी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें बोल के, if you can bring a smile on their face, or if their eyes lit up even for a bit, that's your job. It doesn't have to be the big things, or it doesn't have to be that you have to make them realize of certain things. It can be as little as just appreciating their efforts. It can be as simple as just sitting with them and just telling them few good things, or just थोड़ा सा उनको हल्का फील कराओ, थोड़ा सा अच्छा फील कराओ. That is very easy, and as a spiritual person and as an empath, it is very easy to do that. And you know, if someone is not awakened, they really like, or you just touch their heart by just telling them that I see your efforts and those are good and it is really good and I really appreciate you for that. Simple things. See, everything is that we all came here to spread love, correct? We all agree on that. So why do you have to be in a particular place or in a higher vibration place to spread your light? You can do that even if you're in the city, even if you're in a town, even if you are in a greatest place where unhealed people are. I don't know what to like say, but you get my point. The thing is, if your intention is to heal people, or your intention is to raise the energy of the earth, you can do that by anywhere. You don't have to be at the top of the mountain and meditate and do that, or you don't have to be in a spiritual retreat to do that. You can do that everywhere. That is the thing. And when you interact with people and you let them see your light and you help them see their light, That's where the magic happens. This thing that is good if you are a spiritual healer or if you are highly spiritual and you are planning to do a job is that you will see more easily than ever how trauma manifests. Because if you are in a matrix and then you are doing, because when you are in the matrix and you are working and there are all sorts of people around you of every category, you can see so easily कि लोगों के traumas कैसे manifest होते हैं. I'm telling you, I can spend 5 minutes. मैं इतना train हो गई हूँ अभी दो महीने में या 2-3 महीने जो भी है. I can spend 5 minutes with a person and I can tell you their traumas. I have become that good because what happens is when you observe them and when you see them and how they behave, you can, and I'm an empath, so I can easily feel things. So I can, so now I know, that what is their like greatest desire, and then their greatest desire is linked to their greatest trauma, and their trauma is linked to why they feel the way they feel. See, I'm telling you this that इतने 2-3 महीने में जितने भी टाइम मैंने जॉब किया है, I have trained myself so much that I can spend like 5 minutes with someone and I can tell you their trauma. It has been, I have become that good at that much time, bro. I'm an empath, and if I'm an empath, I can instantly feel. But their behaviors and their beliefs, it tells so much. It becomes way easier. So if you are a spiritual healer and you are considering of doing a job, or if you think that you are not that good at finding out the core beliefs of people or the core wound of their trauma, doing a job will help you with that, because there are all sorts of people that you will meet. और जब हम उनके साथ रहते हैं तो हमें ऑटोमेटिकली समझ में आने लगता है कि ओके, दिस इज देयर शैडो. If this is their shadow, this must be their trauma, and if this is their trauma, this is the solution for that. So it is very easy, and the process of understanding people starts to get very fast, and that is like the whole thing. See, so that's the thing, and I have been on this job for quite a while now, and I am like really enjoying this. These were like the good parts, and टू लाइक रियली टेल यू ऑनेस्टली कॉन्स मुझे अब तक तो ज़्यादा मिले नहीं हैं. मैंने लिखा है बट मैंने इतना ज़्यादा नहीं लग रहा है, क्योंकि सी आई लैक्ड स्ट्रक्चर फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. आई डिडंट हैव दैट स्ट्रक्चर इन माई लाइफ. So to have that routine and to follow that routine is a big thing for me, because I was very 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 like loose end girl, or I was like very 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 go with the flow kind of girl. Okay, so I was very feminine, I was very into my feminine, but now I can literally feel कि मेरी masculine और feminine energies दोनों balanced हो चुकी है. So I just love that thing about me, and yeah, that's the thing. So now we will talk about cons, the bad things about doing a job if you are a spiritual person. Number one thing is that you will not have enough time for yourself. Okay, मैं ये वीडियो आज बना रही हूँ, मैं कितने टाइम से जॉब कर रही हूँ. The reason being that तुम्हें खुद के लिए उतना टाइम नहीं मिलता. Okay, you have to be out again the next day at the job, and it is like 9 hours of the job, and then you come back, and when you come back you don't have that much energy, you are drained. Even though मैं बहुत खुश रहती हूँ all the time, but I am still tired. So you will not have, see, if you have this routine कि तुम इतना time meditate करते हो, तुम इतना time, you know, you give yourself this time to like process and analyze things, क्योंकि ये चीज़ मैं भी करती थी, because मेरे पास तब बहुत सारा time रहता था. So I used to like, मैं इतना मेडिटेशन वाली इंसान नहीं हूँ. आई डोंट मेडिटेट लाइक एवरी सिंगल डे, बट इफ़ यू डू सो यू वोंट हैव दैट टाइम. ओके, यू विल हैव दिस कॉन्स्ट्रक्टेड टाइम, एंड तुम्हें उतनी ही लिमिटेड चीज़ें तुम फिट कर सकते हो उसके अंदर. यू कैन नॉट डू एवरीथिंग, सो यू विल हैव वेरी लेस टाइम फॉर योर सेल्फ. बट इवन इफ यू हैव अ हॉलीडे छुट्टी रहे फिर भी कि नहीं दे पाते हो तुम खुद को इतना टाइम, बिकॉज तुम्हारी बॉडी अभी तक लाइक इतना यूज टू नहीं हुई है जॉब करने के. सो योर बॉडी विल नॉट नो इवन इफ इट्स अ हॉलीडे, बिकॉज अगर छुट्टी भी रहती है ना तो भी मेरी बॉडी ऐसे हाइपर एक्टिव रहती है उठने के बाद, क्योंकि टू डू दिस, हैव टू डू दैट, हैव टू डू दैट. सो रिलैक्सेशन थोड़ा सा कम हो जाता है. एंड अगर इफ़ यू आर दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन जिसको ना ऐसे बैठ के सोचना और एनालाइज करना बहुत पसंद है, जैसे कि मैं थी पहले, तो थोड़ी सी दिक्कत आ सकती है, बिकॉज दैट इज़ नॉट the highlight of this kind of life. If you are working a 9 to 5 job, time बहुत कम मिलता है. ठीक है. The next thing is that sometimes it can be very difficult to be around toxic people, because as I told you that being in a corporate world is very unpredictable. कब कौन चिल्ला दे, कब कौन क्या हो जाए, you don't have any control over it. So sometimes अगर कोई toxic है आसपास, they might not know that they are toxic, but the thing is कि sometimes अगर कोई ऐसा आ जाता है a toxic person into your life or into the situation, You being an empath, तुम चाह के भी उस चीज़ को ना इग्नोर नहीं कर पाओगे, और the energy will like kind of like poke you, and it will keep poking you, so it is sometimes very difficult to be in that situation. But if you can flip it, it is a very good sign that if you can still be around toxic people by being detached, that's the key to it. If you're detached, it won't hurt you that much, because लेकिन फिर भी कभी कभी हो जाता है वो, एंड वो 1-2 घंटे में चले भी जाता है, इतना कोई टेंशन की बात नहीं है. बट समटाइम्स कभी कभी अगर तुम काफ़ी ही ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव हो तो थोड़ी सी दिक्कत उसमें भी आ सकती है. द थर्ड थिंग इज़ वर्क प्रेशर. वर्क प्रेशर बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. सो वर्क प्रेशर अगर इतना ज़्यादा रहा ना, कभी कभी हमारे अंदर, मेरे अंदर वो एंग्जाइटी और रेस्टलेसनेस आ जाती है. तो उस चीज़ को भी मतलब मैंने अभी काफ़ी सा हील कर दिया है. बट द थिंग इज़ दैट इफ़ यू आर इन टू वेरी रिलैक्स्ड मोड फॉर a few years of your life, and after that you have this anxiety come up, or that restlessness come up, it can be really difficult for you to like calm yourself down. You can do that when you come home, लेकिन वहीं पे रह के काम होना थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है. बट you will also do that. It is not like, it is not very big thing. It will happen, and that's the course of life. See, even if you are, अगर अगर तुम घर पे भी होगे, तुम जॉब नहीं कर रहे हो, still you will have all those energies come up, and then you have to like heal them. So this is kind of the same thing but with more people involved. Okay, you can see कि मैं कौन से कितना फास्ट फास्ट जा रही हूँ, बिकॉज मुझे ज़्यादा मिले नहीं है, एंड आई जस्ट लव बीइंग एट माई जॉब. बट स्टिल आई एम टेलिंग यू, yeah, this is very interesting one. The next con or the bad thing about doing a job is that you cannot be your OG self there. You cannot be your original self or your most authentic self. तुम वहाँ पे नहीं रह सकते हो. और ये चीज़ मतलब मेरे जो वहाँ के फ्रेंड्स हैं उन्होंने मुझे बोला भी है, यार तू बोलते बोलते रुक जाती है, तो जो बोलती है वो कंप्लीट तो कर. एंड आई कैन नॉट डू दैट, बिकॉज मेरा माइंड सेट बहुत अलग है, मेरे बिलीव्स बहुत अलग है, मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव बहुत अलग है. तो समटाइम्स द थिंग इज़ दैट कि मे बी वो चीज़ ना समझे, या वो चीज़ मिसअंडरस्टैंड कर ले. तो उसकी वजह से फिर मैं क्या करती हूँ, मैं थोड़ा सा आई टेक अ स्टेप, आई टेक आई टेक अ स्टेप बैक. ओके, मैं बोलती हूँ कि चलो ठीक है, धीरे धीरे पता चलेगा क्या है क्या नहीं है. सो मैं ना इतना ज़्यादा नहीं बोलती हूँ, और कभी कभी ऐसा होता है, इवन दो यू नो बेटर देन दैट, यू कैन नॉट से दैट बिकॉज द इन्वायरमेंट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. ठीक है, तुम वहाँ पे ऐसा एकदम स्पिरिचुअल हिपी टाइप नहीं रह सकते हो. थोड़ा सा यू हैव टू बी इन द way that the matrix works. So that is one thing, but it is also funny because when you can see the look on people's faces when you say something really highly spiritual, and they just start to look at you like, मेरे साथ हुआ एक दो बार. But it is okay, they don't know me and they don't know my story, so धीरे धीरे उन्हें भी पता चल जाएगा. It is like not a big thing, but it is sometimes very funny. So that is it. See, मैं कॉन्स बता रही हूँ, मैं फिर भी हंस रही हूँ. So that is like a very good thing. There is no such thing as cons. Okay, everything is like changeable, turnable, flippable. Everything is like that. And the last thing that I would say, the like bad side of doing a job is like you are too tied to structure. और इस चीज़ से मैंने सफ़र किया है. बिकॉज क्या हो जाता है ना कि यू डोंट गेट दैट टाइम टू रिलैक्स और टू लाइक, जैसे हम लेट गो कर देते हैं. जैसे if you are not doing a job, if you are like you are a spiritual healer or you are a psychic, so you have that particular time जहाँ पे तुम relax कर सकते हो, and then when you feel like it you will do the job. But यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं है, you have to do the job even though you feel like it or you don't. So that is the thing. And तुम्हें इतना रिलैक्स करने के लिए उतना टाइम नहीं मिलेगा. तुम्हें जितना टाइम की तुम्हें आदत है, जितना वक्त तुम्हें ज़रूरी है, वो सारा जो प्रोसेस अपना होता है स्पिरिचुअल रूटीन का, वो थोड़ा सा तुम्हें और थोड़ा सा उसको कंस्ट्रक्ट करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा छोटा करना पड़ेगा. But that is the thing. Life is all about that, and I really love this part of my life where I am right now, because my masculine and feminine energies are so balanced, and I feel so confident, and I have this strong sense of self, and it has brought me here. So I'm very grateful for this job. So I would literally say that if you're spiritual and you're trying to make some extra money, or just you want to test yourself, or you just want to see how healed you really are, I would definitely suggest you to do this job. It will be a very transformational thing for you to go through. इतना भयंकर तुमको लगेगा ना पहले कुछ दिन, उसके बाद फिर जब वो एनर्जीज लाइक सेटल डाउन होने लगती है, देन you get along with everybody, and then you make new friends, you make a new kind of friends, you make new kind of friends. So that is like all, it comes with the whole package, you know. I would literally recommend you to do a job. If you are very spiritual and you want to test yourself and you want to see how much you have healed, this is a very great opportunity to do this job. And it doesn't mean that you have to do the job for your whole life. For a few months, take it for a few months, and then you can literally see how this matrix works and all of the things that I told you. And I'm very sure that if you do this if you do the job, मैंने जो भी चीज़ें आज बोली है, you will experience that. So other than that, I'm very grateful to be here again, and I'm very grateful that I could share the part of my journey over here. And I hope that this video helped you a lot. And see, if you're really considering taking a job, I told you the things, what would happen, what would not happen. I have told you this. So I really hope that you take this job, and I hope that you are all aligned and you're all doing really well. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.